Roosevelt. 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 Hard for me to say. Roosevelt. Much better date. Much better date. Who has a date? It's a date.
Date with a 10-year-old girl.
Date with a 10-year-old girl. Yeah, much better date. Annie Special LX Cinema. I underlined, I highlighted, I went 8. Swindle time much better. Yes. Yes. Nope. We're 15 minutes in and you've had 3 already. Alex, you've had 3 already and you're 15 minutes in. Thrusts for... Wow! Seb! So for the primary school performance, you bring out this. Yeah! Of all nights, you bring out the thrusting for the primary school. I know, mental note, I'll do the thrusting for the kids.
And it's the underwear today, isn't it?
Great idea, Seb. Seb's radio mic on Easy Street. Did anything happen, Seb? Did anything happen, Seb? Did anything happen? Did the connection come out or anything like that?
Did you cut the cord?
Shush! Guys, come on.
I didn't move the whole thing. It's fine with me. But I noticed that.
Okay, don't worry, I'll speak to Tim. Leave your entrance for Tiffany's a second longer, Annie. Grace goes to get you and you're in.
Yeah, Grace said, go on now, go on.
Don't listen to her, listen to me. Applause sign at the end of Bert. I clapped and you were like, oh yeah, I better put the applause sign up. Come on, get that applause sign in, please. Ah, ha ha ha. Gwenny. Gwenny. I am naming and shaming. Shall I start with a, or I'll end with the worst, shall I? So, who's next to Rachel?
Rachel.
You.
Becca?
Yep, you had a sour face. Where is she?
There. Yeah.
No, oh yeah, sour central. Lovely. Then, Ryle. Bit like that. Nikki.
Oh, Nikki.
Maya. Jess. And guess who it's going to be? Melita!
She wasn't feeling well, though.
Gwenny, smile. Excellent, never in 100 years. Hannigan, that was the best you've done it. Never believe in 100 years. Best you've done it. Do it again like that, please. A lot. Drop it like it's hot. So, when the rooster's in the crib, drop it like it's hot. No, it's got to be. Sure, I could help you. A lot. Okay. Good. Go through with her. Dis-a-pie-ars, go through with her. Come on, I've got to try and get through this. Dis-a-pie-ars, go through with her?
You tell me to go, it's dis-a-pie-ars.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, God, I
Maybe we'll go through that line. It dis-a-pie-ars! Yeah! Dis-a-pie-ars? Let's go through that accent together. Check on me off. Oh, and then Seb brings it out again! Oh, yeah! For the second time, primary school, so I didn't get you first time! Here's a little bit of abuse! Curtain band. Curtain band. Something band. Curtain band. Oh yeah. Oh, that's fine. Butler, be a good butler.
What?
Still, you will not fold his jacket correctly.
What was wrong with it?
Why here? arms out, both hold it by its sort of where the thing is, tuck the shoulders together, and dangle it over gently. You sort of wangle it over and then sort of crush it against your body. Lovely waltz present. The waltz present was lovely. Try not to look at the audience, Katie. Gosh, I love it. She's looking around. It's Katie. I know. You looked at me a few times, but Katie, you were like this. Am I okay, Mr Lewis? I can stand here and say, hello? Too much, Lily. No money for Annie. Just a bit too much. Remember, it's a bunco job. Oops, pardon me, Blondie. The accent, Seb. Suddenly you've gone, careful with that accent the second time. It's like you're hocking up a greenie. Oops, pardon me, Blondie. Maybe you can drop it on the Blondie, but not the all of it.
The second time,
Yeah, okay. Don't worry, just learn it. Amy Crowley, servants line. Amy and Katie, you've got to dictate the servants line. You have to be in that corner, angled. Angled into the corner. I gave you that note before, didn't I?
We haven't done angles in maths yet.
Right, Katie, when you're looking at me and I'm pointing this way, go into the corner to the servants' line for the champagne. You're sort of standing like this, going, you're not allowed to sing. Just come into the corner and be in front of this lovely camera here. Oh, big note. Be careful. Earlier on LX for the Scooby-Doo moment. Early on the Scooby-Doo moment, Alex. Yeah, you're too late. David and Margaret Bennett. Where are they? Is a question which will make the rest of the lines work. Your parents were David and Margaret Bennett. David and Margaret Bennett? Where are they? They're dead, Annie. Oh. Are you okay, Annie? Well, yeah. Because if they were alive, then they'd love me. It'll all work if the where are they is a real question. Yesterday, Katie, today, Georgiana, in front of Molly. Mud, J. Mud, J. Mud, J. Yeah, you went mud.
Yeah.
Mud. And some friends now. And they're like in English, but Hannigan, scream the last! I'll let you in on a secret! I never liked any one of you! And go for that. Okay, right. Sorry I've taken so long. You now have 7 minutes to